Good morning, students. Next we have going to discuss about merge cell, split table, shading and sorting. Okay, so first we have to discuss about what do you mean by merge cells or merging. So merge means combining two or more cell into a single cell. Okay, that is merging. So first select country details, then click layout tab, then merge cells, click merge cell option. So we will see country details is merged into single cell. Okay, this is for merging. Merging means combining two or more cell into a single cell is called merging. So next we have going to discuss about split cell. Split cell means dividing a single cell into multiple cell, that is splitting. So first select the row country details. Okay, first select the row country details. We will select the row country details. Then layout tab, split cell option. Click on split cell option from merge group. Okay, so we will see the another box split cell. Then entering number of columns in 1 and number of rows will be 2. Okay, then click OK. So we will see split into 2 rows. Okay, so this is the option for split cell. Select the second row, select the second row, then again click merge split cell, then enter the number of column will be 2, number of rows will be 1, then click OK. So dividing single cell into 2 group, then entering country. Okay, country, then details. So this means split cell option. Next one, split table. So first click on the cell serial number. Okay, click on the cell serial number, then click split table option from merge group. So split table option is used to dividing a table into 2. Okay, so next one we will discuss about what do you mean by shading. Shading we will apply. First select the row. Okay, first select the row. So country details we will select country details. Then click design tab, table styles group, then shading option. So we will choose one color in this table. So this is the format for shading. And we will apply the shading for this table. First click entire table, then first click entire table, then first click the column, then first select the column, then click design tab, shading option, then apply the color. Okay, so next one, border. Border option is used to modify the border of a table or selected cell. So first select the country details, then click design tab, click border option, then we will choose all border option. Okay, so this is the format for borders. And apply the table style. First select entire table, then click the design tab, then we will choose one table styles option from this group. Okay, this is the format for table styles option. Next one, conversion. Convert a table to text. So first format, select the table, select the entire table, then click layout tab, first select the entire table, then click layout tab, Okay, then click layout tab, data group, convert to text. So this is a format for convert a table into text. Step 1, select the table, and step 2, click layout tab, data group. Okay, data group, convert to text option, then click tabs, then OK. So we will see the table into text, convert the table into text. The another one, convert a text to table. Again select the table. Okay, then insert tab, tables group, convert text to table option, then click then select the tabs option. Okay, then enter the number of columns in this box. Enter the number of columns will be 1 2 3 4 columns, then again OK. So again the convert text to table option. Okay, all of you clear the topics? Thank you.